Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to enable character voice in Character AI. First of all, open up your preferred browser and search for beta.character.ai. Now, you will be redirected to the home page of Character AI. Once the website is fully loaded, make sure you are logged into your account. Note that you need to create a new character in order to add voice in your character. So, click on Create at the left side of your screen and select Create a new character. Here, fill all the required information like your name and greetings. After that, click on Create and Chat at the bottom of your screen and you will be sent to the chat section. Here, go to your URL search bar at the top and remove the number 2. Once you do that, click on the 3-dotted icon at the top right of your screen and select Enable Character Voice option. So that's all for this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks.